Are you one of those procrastinators that wait to the last minute to do things, like you're standing in line on April the 15th to mail your taxes and, oh, on December the 24th, you're doing your Christmas shopping? Well, when it comes to Medicare, you better start early and listen up. This is Bob Vineyard, your Medicare expert with the Georgia Medicare Minute. Okay, if you are turning 65 and looking at Medicare options and can't make up your mind and figure, well, if it doesn't work out, I can always change it. I got news for you. Sometimes you got to start early, and sometimes you may not be able to change whatever decision you make. So let's try and get it right the first time. I'm working with a fellow now that's on a few medications. Been working with him for about 3 or 4 months now. And he finally gave me a list of his medications, and I said, whoa, you've got a couple of expensive meds here. One in particular is going to run you about $600 a month. And he was shocked. He said, well, I'm not paying that now. And I said, well, you're covered under a group plan. It's a different set of rules there. But let's see what we can do. And so we've been going back and forth. He's talking with his doctor about maybe changing the medication to something different that might be less expensive. So he came back to me and he said, well, what about this one? I said, well, that one's going to be about $2,000 a month. So your doctor's going in the wrong direction. Let me give you a list of alternative medications, and you take them to your doctor and see what they say. Well, here we are, about the middle of July, and he's going to have want coverage the 1st of September. So we're kind of coming down to the wire here. Still haven't made a decision because his doctor's been dragging his feet. So, as I said, if you are one of those people that put things off in the last minute, thinking that it's just going to be easy to sign up for Medicare and get a Medicare supplement and drug plan, I got news for you. Start early. Start early. This is Bob Vineyard, your Medicare expert with the Georgia Medicare Minute. You take care. Have a great day.